How are you doing today? And how's your study going? Have you watched the previous episode? It will help you with today's letter. Let's see what does it look like. I guess it looks like a fish hook. Hook. K. K.
It's where we start practicing how to pronounce it. K,
Is the English counterpart of the Arabic letter.
K,
However, in Arabic, it's slightly aspirated.
K, K.
If the back of your tongue moves a bit further back, to press against the soft palate, we will have the sound q with no aspiration at all. Q. Q. With
K,
the back of the tongue rises and press against both the hard and soft palate, while with q, it rises and moves back to press only against the soft palate. Please,
pronounce K,
and focus on the position where the sound comes from.
K, K.
Now, move the back of your tongue a bit further back and press it against only the soft palate. Q. Q. Start from the
K,
position,
K,
then move a bit further back. Q. K. Q. K. Q. Please repeat after me. Q. Q. Q is a hard sound. The back of the tongue rises toward the throat and blocks the air. Then it releases the air forcefully,
producing the K
sound, with no aspiration. Q. Q. Please focus on the shape of the letter and the resemblance it bears to the fish hook. K. Start from the K sound. Move your tongue a bit further back. Block the air. Then release it forcefully, with no aspiration. Q. Q.